I was gonna say, okay, maybe we could just go all solid state and then we wouldn't have to worry about that. I don't have 20 terabytes of SSD. Not recording it through here. Yeah, sorry, I should clarify.
You know, after cleaning it, there's always the option.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
It was worth a shot, so now we gotta make it work. Let's just have a look. Right? So we could put that there and fans on the outside. We could put a 120 at the back. We could just say screw on the CPU light.
Maybe let's fix the CPU and then
He says as the
maybe let's fail to fix the CPU.
But big.
would you like to watch? Yeah, I know a guy.
Loud.
Is that guy?
Louder.
This.
What?
You're gonna need some tweezers.
Okay. Alright, this was Not me.
Come back for part 4
Thanks, Chris.
later.
I
don't know.
know.
Yeah, guys, this is part 3. So see you later, guys.
Move that so you can look